guys, I'm Patis. Today is Friday and it's an off day for us. So we decided to play this game called Bad Dog. Yay! This from 2018. It was kept in one place. We didn't play it. It was old, but we're going to play it today. I'm excited to play Bad Dog. Let's start. Let's play with my father. Okay. Ooh, 2 yellow balls. Nice. Oh my god. 1, 2. That was easy.
One white.
Okay. Three white balls. Okay, that's not fair. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Why am I even getting it to Ooh. Alright, I got one. Blue ball. Alright.
One yellow.
It's not fair. See, that is so close. Come on. Ooh, I'm safe.
Safe.
One red ball. That's easy. I'm easy. That's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Two white.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's do it. Aye. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh. That can't be taken.
Oh.
One more. Alright, that's super. You can't get that. I told you. He can't get it. Oh my god! I think it's going to. You're going to push it. You're going to push it. No, push it hard though. That was so close. Alright, okay, I'm gonna get back.
I got it.
Alright, nice. Please don't be bad. Alright, this is great. One blue ball. Oh,
Safe.
It's safe. Alright, my turn. Oh, come on. 3 red balls. This is not fair. Come on, please. Oh my god, that is going to bite me. Alright. So I got a red ball, 2 more red balls. Alright, this is standing one. I can get it. Yay! One more. That's super. Ooh! Ooh! Your turn. Ah! Oh my god, that was so satisfying. One white. Not bad. Alright, I got it.
3 yellow.
Yes! Yes!
Give me the tongue.
Let's do it! I think I'm gonna win.
Easy.
I think I'm gonna win.
One.
I think I'm gonna win. 1, 2. Your turn. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
One red.
That's
One red.
1 blue. Oh, yeah, I got. Oh my god! Why did I do that? Alright, your
One blue.
Yes, this is super easy. Ooh! Yeah. 1 yellow. Everything is 1 now. Let's do it.
Oh, 3 blue.
Oh no, that's super. Oh, okay, now you did it. That's super hard.
So Papa is lost.
My
He lost
organs
the
move.
game.
My organs move.
Great.
Yeah, that's it for today's bad dog. My organs move and the last, oh my god, that is so scary. I did not like that. But I enjoyed while playing. Yeah, so I win and my dad lose. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.